Here we have Sophia and Koser, who are two young, talented poets. And they will be sharing with us two poems. One is, Koser will be reciting a poem called My Country, Ogaden. And then Sophia will be reciting a poem called Why. And Sophia is a 15-year-old. So she's very passionate, and I want you guys, I'm going to ask you this question when I come back. Please pay attention to these girls because they got a powerful message.
My country, my land, taken over by evil hands. My indigenous, my home, where my country came from. No fighting, no war, let's settle with peace. We're asking for one thing, we want our country back, please. You kill innocent people who have done nothing wrong. Don't you think you should stop? This fight is too long. I want to be a doctor to help the injured ones, because I will get knowledge where my parents came from. Oh, Ogaden, what a beautiful name. That's the country I like to claim, because the people have no harm, no shame. Now we give up, we can't be tamed. I am a 15-year-old girl who has a big dream. We will get our country back. We're a strong team. We went through blood, sweat, and tears. Just know we have no fear. Oh Allah, please help us with our struggles. I am shocked and I'm still in fear. We rep red, green, and blue. And can't stop us now. At the end of the day, Ogaden is our hometown. Now you have no heart, killing mothers and her kids, tearing families apart. You are nothing but pure evil. You are consultant and a liar and also deceitful. I hope in our dream that Ogaden will be set free. We'll go back to our home and we will sleep peacefully. Ogaden,
you corrupted our government and betrayed our people. You treat us as slaves and don't see us as equals. Melis, you stomp all over us as if we don't exist. But the only thing we can ask is why you do this. Why do you kill the innocent ones who just want to be friends? We just want to go to our peaceful home, Ogaden. Why do you rape the young girls who have nothing to give, crying for their lives? They just want to live. Why? Is there something you have to hide? Why don't you let the media inside? We just want to compromise. Oh, that's right. You don't want people to see the hidden genocide. Why are you pushing us away? Is there something we're not supposed to see? You're calling yourself a good leader, but you're demolishing a country? That doesn't make sense to me. The people of Ogaden have come to a conclusion. We're fighting for what's ours. Why can't we make a resolution? Why? Do you not hear the silent cries, killing a mother in front of her kids without saying goodbye? What kind of person are you? I don't think you have blood running through your flesh like normal human beings do, but you're a monster. I'm 15 and I have a lot of hopes and dreams. My brothers and sisters in Ogaden don't have water to get themselves clean. When I grow up, I want to become a doctor or a teacher. The mother in Ogaden can't decide to feed him or to feed her. Colonizing our land, making your own people's shoes. Do you know how it feels to walk a mile in their shoes? So the next time you think your life is not perfect, have some gratitude for what you have, because going through their lives takes a lot of courage. Leaders are role models that should be looked up to, not dictators like you who can't face the simple truth. Why are you ruining a population? This is worse than when there was slavery and segregation. I look to my left, I look to my right. There's so much dead but barely alive. Melissa, now you are the next Adolf Hitler. You are evil and cruel, and on top of that, you're a killer. Why do you kill the people of my land? How could you stand there proud of dead bodies in the sand? Why do I hear my mother crying? She gets a phone call saying her family member is dead. You execute my people. Melissa Nawi is the first name that comes to my head. We scream freedom while you yell at prison. Are you afraid to hear the words that Ogaden has written.
Silence is what keeps this regime fueled and going. How can you stop a genocide without even knowing? Though the screams are silenced, they are indeed loud. My love goes to all unloved freedom fighters, standing courageously proud. But there are so many oblivious to what in fact is happening. I wonder if your emotions would differ if it was your family, or maybe your sister, or maybe your mom would come, or maybe your sister, or maybe your mom. Would common sense then tell you that genocide is wrong? Will you sit there and say, if it doesn't affect me, no worries, as tomorrow an innocent mother silently weeps as her baby is buried? Will it not hurt you to know that things could have been done and words could have been said, where your brother in faith and humanity cry as he watches his own brother get shot in the head? It's happened way too long and it needs to be put to an end. ربي يوان دعينا يدد كان عاوي وحن تريكنا دعي نسيب أو صومالي من نمو يوالان مكوعلي ما كريكنا قحري يفيك. I hope to see Bindimo up close one day. Talafi Ankana so we can go back to our old ways. I care about the people and all they endure. I care about the mental damage and the physical abuse. Somaliye Madgara Tan, that the Ogaden was the 5th point on our Somali flag and now it's gone. So as I shine like a star for the Ogaden, Somalia, I haven't forgotten about you. You can't say you support Somalia and not care about the Ogaden too. The two are together and equal as one. The beauty of unity, just imagine the love. Thank you.
Somalay dalkaagi me dadkaagi